process of working with the Playground People was very smooth. The company was very professional, communication was very clear, which made it easy, and overall they're just very nice people, which made it enjoyable. Playground People have a great reputation within our community. I chose Playground People because I am aware of the quality of workmanship that they provide. The kids' responses to the new playground was they were very excited. As well as we have a playground from Playground People in our school. It's a few years old now, but it's still very strong and sturdy. I think the playground itself adds a huge amount of value in terms of play, built in a way that they can progress, or it progressively gets harder, so it has a huge amount of outdoor value. It's very reflective in that we are demonstrating, that we are showing cultural responsiveness and inclusivity throughout our school. Whānau feel a sense of connection. Children feel like they belong, as well as staff. The children are getting a huge amount of use out of the playground, is in use all the time, every break time, sometimes during learning time, so that they can get physical education. It is enhancing physical well-being.